Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be one on stormgain, but before we get the video kicked off, as in all videos, just like to tell you all that I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do see me doing in any of my videos and you decide to copy yourselves and invest in any sites or anything like that, then you are liable for your own losses. I will not be liable for any losses that you may occur. Anyway, this video is something that a subscriber has asked to do. It's just to go over sort of a few things on stormgain. So this is stormgain. If you don't know what stormgain is, just go back through some more videos. I've done a few previous videos on stormgain. You'll have to obviously sign up and all that lot, but for all you guys that know about stormgain already, you should know that this is your home page, your sort of main page when you log in. Now if you go over to the top here where it says wallets and click on that, so this just gives you your basic overview of your entire wallet or portfolio, whatever you want to call it. And then these are all your different wallets that you've got for different coins. Now to exchange from one to another is very simple. Over where it says deposit, right next to it there's two arrows that's like opposite. You just click on that, and then this just exchanges it from one wallet to another. I can't actually do it at the minute because even though I do have like 15 USDT coins, I only actually have 0.3 of my own funds. And if I just hover over this question mark here for you guys, it says here that tradable bonus, use this money for trading. All profits made are yours. You cannot withdraw these funds, only the profit. So you can't withdraw the funds, only the profit from the bonus is what you can withdraw. So like for example, this trade I'm in at the minute, it's in the negative, but if this trade was to go up to like 5 USDT and I withdrew that, that would then go into my wallet, but then I will be able to withdraw that 5. So do you understand what? Hopefully you guys should understand what I'm saying with that. But yeah, so that's basically how you can swap it from one wallet to another. So like obviously you'd have your USDT and then you can swap it to any of these here. If you wanted to withdraw any of your earnings, the button next to the two little arrows, this line, that's to withdraw. So if you click on that and then just enter your amount, obviously your payment method is going to be either to your bank or to a tether address, and then just withdraw it. That's as simple as that, and it's just the exact same for all the other coins. So if you had any Bitcoin in here, so you could obviously swap it again from Bitcoin to whichever wallet you wanted to, and then the little dash arrow, the little line is your withdraw. Obviously I can't click on that because I haven't got anything in it. But yeah, so that's just basically how you like exchange from one wallet to another, and that's your the way that you do to withdraw. So yeah, just a quick video on that for a subscriber. I am trying to learn this still, how to do all this. I'll just show you a quick overview here, guys, of like my whole transaction history and that. I do get some in the green, but then it just turns out to be the next one I make, the next sort of trade I make is a bad one. So I am still learning. We're not doing too bad, I suppose. I think I started off with 10 USDT and I'm currently at 15.6. So we're not doing too bad. I'll just quickly show you guys as well the trade that I am actually currently in. So this is the trade itself down here at the bottom. So if I just click on that, and it will just pop up a sort of page. So obviously there we just shows there that we're just 0.8 ever so slightly in the red. My entry point on this was 54,666 as it's shown there in the white, and then the green is the actual price it is at the minute. And then this sort of line here that's at the 49,555 mark, that's my liquidation price. Obviously you've got a chart down here as well, the colour indications to tell you what's what anyway, but the liquidation price is 49,555. Just a quick one about liquidation, just in case some of you guys don't know what that is. Liquidation price is where if Bitcoin was to go down past that line, then my trade would just close instantly and I would lose everything in that trade. So for example, I've got 10 what is it, 10 10 10, there should be a price here actually there, yeah, so 10.6 USDT in this trade. So if I was to let that run and didn't have a stop loss and it ran all the way down to that line, even if it just touched that price, I would lose the whole lot. So stop losses and stuff like that are very important, guys. Just set it to an amount you're comfortable with losing, basically, if you want. Or sometimes I just like to use the 1-for-1 ratio. So if I have a take profit on, so let me just click on this again. So if I had the take profit on, I would do it at a 1-to-1. So it'd be like, I'll just show you guys on this. Oh, it's not on this. It's actually on Trading View. If I just go on to Trading View, this is another site that you can use just to get your bearings a bit on where you want to get in and get out and that kind of thing. It is a little bit complicated looking at this screen right now, but if I was just to use this, so it says long position, so if I was to basically get in there, so this is a 1-to-1, it says there reward ratio 1 is a 1, so you'd lose just as much as you would gain. So this just helps out to pinpoint a bit better as well where you would like to get in and get out. So if I just drag that, so say like for example I got in like down there at that level here where the dotted line is. If I got in down there at that level, and obviously it broke up past the take profit, so then my take profit, I would have took profit at where that line broke out there. But obviously also it can go the other way, so obviously if it came down, which it nearly did, it came right down to just above the stop loss. But if it came down and touched that stop loss, then I would lose the same amount as what I would have if I was to have won the trade. So I try and do a 1-to-1 ratio. At the minute I haven't actually got a stop loss on, and to be honest I don't really use take profits that much either. I just like to get in and get out when I can, because I can get to my computer throughout the day. I haven't got, like I said, I haven't got a stop loss on at the minute because my entry price is pretty low, and as you guys seen, my liquidation price is the 49.55. I don't think we'll ever get back down there. That is pretty low. I think we're going to be going up from here on. So I'm trying not to put a stop loss on because I don't want to lose this position that I'm in at the minute, because even though I could have got in a bit further down, let's just zoom in. So even though I could have got in a bit further down, like right down here, I could have got in down here, but obviously we don't know if it was to go up or down, and I think I already had the trade on before that anyway. But if I was to have got in down here, that would have been a really good position. And if I'd have put a stop loss on and it came down and touched that stop loss but then shot back up, obviously it would have took me out that position, and then when it shot up we would have lost that profit that we would have gained if we'd have stayed in. So I'm not putting a stop loss on just yet because it's round about where we are now, where I got in. So I'm not putting a stop loss on because I don't think I'm going to get I don't think it's going to get to my liquidation price. I don't think it's going to come back down here because it's just, just seems to me that I think we should go up from here on. But yeah, you make your own decisions and your own choices and stuff like that. If you're not confident with, like I said, leaving it to run and risking losing your full trade, then just put a stop loss on. You can do it as much or as little as you want. It's dead easy, so you just click the stop loss button and you can adjust it by price or by the price of Bitcoin or whatever, so you can adjust the price in here. Oh no, it's, yeah, oh no, sorry, it's not there. Yeah, you can't. Oh yes, no, sorry, you can do, yeah, but up top here you can do it by price or by amount, which is the amount you want to risk losing. So like in USDT, I do it by price. It's just easier to look at the numbers at the side here, and then it just shows you how much you've got there, if you want to, how much you want to lose. So for example, if I wanted to put a stop loss on at 50, let's just say 52,000, I would lose 5.86 USDT. So if I click save on that, as you guys can see there, this red line is my stop loss now, and if the price was to come down, touch that line, then I would only lose nearly 6 USDT instead of my full 10.6. So that's just how stop losses work, and it's the same thing for take profit, guys. It's just the exact same thing for take profits. So if you feel like, you know, you wanted to only get a certain amount, or you was aiming for a certain amount, so like, I don't know, 10 USDT, then you know you do that as well. So you put in click on take profit and do it by amount or by price. So it's the exact same as a stop loss. Like I said, I don't really like to use take profits. I try and like get in and get out on my own accord, but take profits and stop losses are really good and really helpful for beginners. So I suggest using them if you was trying to do that. But yeah, so anyway, back to what I was on about really. So yeah, in the wallets, you know, that's the way that you exchange and withdraw. So like I said, you've got all your wallets here. You just click on each one. You can even deposit that way as well, and that's your exchange, and then you withdraw. So I will leave that with you guys. I don't want to start rambling on. Another quick update with the miner. Still not got any mining cards, any graphics cards yet for my mining rig. Still on the lookout for that. If you guys do mining, some of you might be aware that trying to grab a graphics card now is like trying to get gold dust. It's just absolutely crazy at the minute. So yeah, graphics card, still looking for that. And yeah, please keep subscribing to the channel. We've got so many likes in these last couple of weeks. The channel's really growing. And it's fantastic to see all you guys commenting and stuff like that, and sending comments to me about things as well, which I do try and look at, hence why I'm doing this video. I do also have an email if any of you guys want to get in touch by email if you have any questions, or if you have any sites or have any queries on some of the stuff I'm already on and you want me to have a look at. I'm more than happy to try and do that. It's obviously cryptoreviews90@gmail.com, so it's dead easy. It's just it's the channel name at gmail.com. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.